Imagine a world where you don't need a bank to manage your money. No waiting in lines, no high fees, and no middlemen taking a cut. Sounds incredible, right? Welcome to Decentralized Finance, or DeFi. Have you ever felt frustrated by traditional banks charging high fees or denying you a loan? DeFi is here to change that. It's a new way to handle your finances using technology, making financial services accessible to everyone, everywhere. So what exactly is DeFi? At its core, DeFi uses blockchain technology, a secure, transparent digital ledger that records all transactions. Think of blockchain as a public notebook that everyone can see and verify, but no one can alter. On top of this blockchain, DeFi operates using smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts where the terms are directly written into code. This means agreements are enforced automatically, without the need for a trusted third party like a bank. But how does DeFi work in everyday life? Let's break it down. Instead of going to a bank to borrow money, you can use a DeFi platform to get a loan directly from other people. You provide collateral in the form of cryptocurrency, and smart contracts handle the loan terms. You earn interest by lending your crypto to others, and borrowers get access to funds without the usual bank fees or lengthy approval processes. Another exciting aspect of DeFi is trading. Traditional stock markets can be slow and expensive, but DeFi allows you to trade cryptocurrencies quickly and with lower fees. Decentralized exchanges, DEX, let you swap assets directly with others without needing a middleman. Plus, all transactions are recorded on the blockchain, ensuring transparency and security. Liquidity pools are another key feature of DeFi. Instead of relying on a single bank's reserves, DeFi pulls funds from multiple users. When you add your money to a liquidity pool, it becomes available for others to borrow or trade. In return, you earn a share of the fees generated by the pool. It's a way to make your money work for you, earning passive income without the need for traditional banking services. Why is DeFi gaining so much attention? For starters, it offers unprecedented accessibility. Anyone with an internet connection can access DeFi services, no matter where they are in the world. This democratizes finance, giving more people control over their money. Additionally, DeFi often has lower fees compared to traditional banking because there are no intermediaries taking a cut. The transparency of blockchain means all transactions are open and verifiable, reducing the chances of fraud and increasing trust. But, like anything new, DeFi comes with its risks. Smart contracts can have bugs or vulnerabilities, and the cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility. It's essential to do thorough research and understand the landscape before diving in. Start small, learn the ropes, and stay informed to navigate the DeFi space safely. In summary, decentralized finance is transforming the way we think about and interact with money. By removing the need for banks and other intermediaries, DeFi offers a more open, accessible, and transparent financial system. Whether you're interested in investing, borrowing, or simply exploring the future of finance, DeFi is an exciting space to watch. Ready to take control of your financial future? Dive into the world of DeFi and discover the endless possibilities it has to offer.